As you see, I got her all shined up. Sorry about my voice, I'm feeling a little bit under the weather today. So this morning, I'm getting it all ready for the car show, and hopefully we can get a trophy today. Haven't won one of those yet, but like I said, all I did was washed her up, went over a couple spots, I touched up some paint on, got her as clean as I could. See, the engine still looks good. Dang good. Like I said, the interior is going to need some work. The guy I got it from just put some seat covers on it. I just wiped out the floorboards, kind of swept it out, got all those parts out of the back. Kind of get it a little more open. Clean up the trunk a little bit. Got the actual owner's manual right there. Shine the tire up. Also, you know, you always got to go with tools and some water, brake fluid and stuff like that. Doesn't burn oil, so I'm not going to bring any with me. But I shined her up as much as I could. As you see, it does. It's got that rat rod look to it, old custom look to it. But none of this be possible with my wife. You know, she's a huge supporter of this. So definitely gonna get a shout out to her. I appreciate her allowing me to do this on my off time, my free time to do this kind of stuff. As I was a kid, I always dreamt of working on cars and collecting cars and stuff like that. Parents are always telling stories about how I used to be able to tell what kind of car it was, even from, you know, way down the road. I could tell you what type of model it was, year it was, stuff like that. So I'm definitely grateful for the opportunity to be able to do this. Like I said, it's about an hour and a half before the car show starts, so I'm gonna get cleaned up. I don't know if I'm doing any recording on the drive there. I may do some recording on the drive there, but we be my wife going. But like I said, I'm gratefully appreciated that she allows me to do this kind of stuff, you know, because most people don't have that type of freedom where they can do this kind of thing. So I'm very, very appreciative that she allowed me to do this. So we'll get back to it. Hopefully we can get some good shots of cars and stuff over there, and show y'all how we do things over here in the South. You know, charity work and stuff like that. So like I said, every dollar that we put into this thing goes to the charity. So it's for a good cause, not just for us, for everybody. So from between me, my wife, Mr. Deuce there, thank y'all for watching. Hopefully I can get y'all some good content over here at the car show. See y'all then. Alright, so car show was a success. We raised some money for Mr. Mack, who's a very awesome guy. I'm glad that everybody who came out, appreciate everybody who came out to support Mr. Mack. I know he appreciates it. It was a very good time. Everybody had fun. Had some jambalaya and pastelaya out there. Shout out to locals who was out there, who allowed us to go out there and sponsor this car show with Southern Muscle so we can raise money for Mr. Mack. On another note, Mustang Project is probably going to get a little bit of a delay, as you see. Yes, that is still the driver's side fender. So I got to call Summit Racing back to get the actual fender that I need and have it shipped to me. I had to try to go through FedEx because UPS apparently doesn't deliver over there, so I had to go through FedEx. To have this thing delivered back to them, it's going to cost me, I think she said, about $1,000, which I could probably buy about 6 or 7 more fenders and have them shipped to my home and be the same price as shipping this one fender back. So I'm just going to bite the bullet and just get the fender sent here so we can get y'all some content, get the Mustang finished, get it painted, get it out of here, get it out of the shop so y'all can see this thing on the road once again. So like I said, it's going to be a little bit of a delay. I'm going to be putting this fender, which is brand new. Only thing I did with it was test fit it. I didn't scuff it. I didn't do anything to it. It's still brand new in the box, still wrapped up. I'm going to put it on Facebook Marketplace, like I said, and I'm going to sell it for $30 cheaper than what they have on the website. I think it was like $187 on the website. I'm going to sell it for $150. Hopefully someone local can come get it. That way I don't have to worry about paying shipping because I'm not going to pay $1,000 to ship this fender. But we're going to be coming back with some more content. Also, like I said, I got to shave down the fender, the door on the driver's side. I may do some odds and ends things here and there. I may take you out to a pull apart nearby, grab a battery box for the car so we can get it in there, get it going. I'm excited. Maybe do some shock work to it, get some shocks to the rear end. The shocks on the rear end they're going. But like I said, as you see, it's sunny here in Louisiana. Stop. So we'll get some stuff. We'll get some content, even if I have to put this video out for the Mustang with it not complete. We can get y'all a little up-to-date film on it, and then when we get the fender in, do, like I said, cut the 1.5 inches off of it, and get it scuffed, get it primed, and get that on the car, get everything bolted up, get it painted, and get it sent to y'all so y'all can see it. I'm hoping y'all enjoying the videos. I appreciate everybody who subscribes and likes the videos. Like I said, I'm welcoming comments, good or bad. I love all of them. If you comment, I will do my best to comment back to you so we can get some type of communication going between the comments. Until next time, appreciate y'all for watching for What Now Garage. See y'all later. Well, got more updates. I called Summit Racing up to let them know that let's go ahead and send the fender. The fender was already sent. So, talking to this very nice lady from Summit, she's like, the part has already been shipped to us. I mean, we've already received said product, which I told her that has to be mistaken because it's sitting in my sunroom right now, and y'all do not have it. So I'm heading to UPS because she had printed me out a label, and I will be shipping it to them, and everything is good, and we'll be getting back on that Mustang soon. Hopefully that part arrives in a few days. Stay tuned.